morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a strive. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
So guys, we are at the place where you get makke ki roti and sarson da saag. You can see behind me, these women are preparing amazing makke ki rotis, and you get free chas over there too. And I'm really excited to have this because I have had this, but this looks really different and yummy. So let's try it, guys.
Memories die out too hard. We were trying.
So guys, this is classic example of Amritsari architecture, and you can see I am in a haystack over here, and you can see this statue of a woman climbing and just applying some gobar. So it's like gobar cake. You can use it as a biofuel too, and it used to keep fires running for a very long time. The buttermilk over here, and there is this free cow where people are just trying to milk it for some. Guys, what you just saw was called a bioscope, and it's a way of seeing movies like way before my time, obviously. Very entertaining way, and I tried it for the first time, and I see it always in melas, but I don't know, I didn't ever go. My mom was like, just try it out, it might be nice. So I just had a great time watching some amazing monuments in that bioscope, and the music was also really nice. I love that song, Mere Sapno Ki Rani Kab Aayegi Tu. Just kidding. This looks so nice. I love Amritsar, and I actually really do love this place. The way people treat you, the way everyone is over here, the way they serve people, the temple, the vibe, it's all so good. The Golden Temple is such a place to, like, you can come there like n number of times, but you still wouldn't feel satisfied. This is a classic Amritsari home. Like some years back, some houses would be just like this, and even now some houses are like this. And it's made into a sari and souvenir shop, and it's called Shagna Di Fulkari. And on the opposite side right here, you can henna parlor over here. You might not be able to hear me because of the loud music over here. Guys, we are done with half of the stuff, and I doubt you can see everything over here because it takes a lot of time. And you can see this guy just picked up a small kid, and everyone's having juice over there, and they are renting small cars for kids over here. So my mom's like, do you want to sit in one? And I doubt even one of my feet would fit in that. And I asked her, if you want me to drive a car, you can just buy me a new one. And there are small G-Wagons in which kids are moving, so I hope my mom buys me one. Look at this amazing handloom, and this guy is making some mats, and I doubt you can see everything in this park in one day because there are 40-50 places where you can just roam around, and I think you can't see everything very carefully in one day. So if I want to see everything, I might come back some other day and enjoy this place. There's a first aid help room, or there's this well too. I don't know if it's a real one, and it turns out it's a fake one. This is a very big area, guys, and like I'm really happy we did this. We came here and it's so much fun. This kid was just about to fall in. And there are some carnival games here too. The basketball one, the pin knockdown, the balloon hitting one, the darts game. This looks really fun. Wherever I go, I always play these carnival games, and I know it's a scam, but it's about the experience and not about the prize. Guys, I'm aiming for this orange one in front of me now. Yes. Blue one in front of So guys, I just played this dart game here and I won this teddy and I hit 2 bullseye, and I've been playing darts at my house and been practicing very much. If I don't be anything, I would really like to be a darts player, and I'm very happy, and I'll give this to my mom and she'll get very happy. Guys, you can see this is a traditional way how to make popcorn over here, and we are gonna pop soon. And you can see some remains over here, but I'm just waiting, and the fire is so warm and the weather is really cold. That's why I'm just waiting here and we are having some popcorn. Popcorn made, and the lady was really nice, and we had a small chat too. She's a very sweet woman, and I just left her a small tip too, and she got really happy, so I'm glad. So guys, we are at the pottery place, and my sister Pupa is making a small pot for herself, and I'm not making one because I don't want to spoil my hands, and I'll just take a small pot from here because this is the best thing, it's free of charge, and Pupa is having a lot of fun here. The guy is instructing her how to make a pot.
बढ़िया सामग्री बनाया है और सारा PhD कर लिए है, बहुत ही बढ़िया वर्क कर रहा है और गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट बन चुकी है.
And I love the shape, and she did a really good job, and we are just keeping the pot to dry, so we'll take it later, and it's a very sensitive pot, so we'll just take this amazing chole I was talking about, and it's an Amritsari chole and everyone's having it here, and Dad's getting many calls because it's his anniversary, but this chole looks tempting, so I'm going to steal it from his hand. So guys, we are almost done for the day, and I'm just having a look at whatever's remaining, and you can see an amazing bangle shop behind me, this bull game and jumping jack, and here you can see people having a horse ride, and there's a jewelry shop back there, and there's this one amazing dhaba over there, but that's the paid one, and there's a small theater room here where people watch movies. So now I'm about to have some free chole kulche. It's a part of the ticket as well. Guys, that was the vlog. If you like the vlog, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, Travel Brat Vlogs. And as I always say, I'm going to keep posting new content, so stay tuned for more. Thank you guys for your support.